The water cycle, a magical journey. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from? Let's follow a water drop on its magical journey. Number 1. Evaporatio. The sun shines bright and warms up the water. The water turns into steam and goes up, up, up. Number 2. Condensatio. When the steam cools down, it makes clouds in the sky. The clouds get bigger and bigger.
Number 3. Precipitatio. The clouds get heavy and full. Then it rains. Drip drop, drip drop. Number 4. Collectio. The rainwater goes back to the ground, into rivers and oceans, ready to start again. A quick recap. Soup. Steam. Clouds. Rain. River. This is called the water cycle. It goes round and round forever. Water is precious, don't waste it. Let's thank the water for its amazing journey. Thanks for watching.